Every car begins as raw steel, 2 tons of potential. From flat steel to sculpted panels, precision measured in millimeters.
3,000 welds, 12 robots, 1 perfectly fused skeleton.
Every dimension verified. Every weld confirmed. Ready for transformation.
Submerged in protection, electro-coating seals every surface. Layer by layer, color emerges from precision and pressure. 140 degrees, 30 minutes. Perfection baked into permanence.
Chassis rising, rate nominal.
Body descent matched. 10 centimeters to contact.
The marriage, body and chassis unite. 28 bolts lock shell to skeleton.
4 corners, 20 bolts. The machine touches ground and stands ready. All corners confirmed to spec. Vehicle on wheels, ready for roll test.
From bare shell to refined cabin, comfort meets technology.
All systems nominal.
Every circuit tested. Every sensor verified. Intelligence confirmed.
6 liters of vital fluids fill the veins. The heart turns over. 3 revolutions. Ignition. 6-cylinder.
Full throttle, red line screaming. 208 to 55 horses unleashed. The dyno reveals truth, power confirmed, performance approved.
3 inspectors.